The check your phone number error is one of the most common issues Spotify users encounter. This error typically appears during account verification processes, especially when setting up two-factor authentication or attempting account recovery. This error commonly occurs in three main situations: when enabling two-factor authentication for enhanced security, during account recovery processes when you've lost access to your account, and when verifying new accounts during the initial setup process. Now let's examine the main causes of this error. Understanding these causes will help you troubleshoot more effectively. The most common cause is incorrect phone number formatting. Many users forget to include their country code when entering their phone number. For example, a US number should include the +1 country code, not just the 10-digit number. The correct format includes the country code with a plus sign, followed by the area code and phone number with proper spacing. This ensures the SMS verification system can properly route your verification code. The second major cause involves carrier compatibility issues and SMS delivery problems. Carrier compatibility problems can prevent SMS verification codes from reaching your phone. This includes SMS delivery delays, regional gateway outages, and some carriers blocking automated SMS messages from certain services. The third cause is rate limiting, which occurs when you make too many verification attempts in a short period. Spotify's security system implements rate limiting to prevent abuse. If you make too many verification attempts within a short time frame, the system will temporarily block further attempts to protect against potential fraud. Now that we understand the causes, let's look at immediate troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this error quickly. First, verify your phone number format. Always include your country code with the plus sign. For US numbers, use +1 followed by your 10-digit number. For UK numbers, use +44, and so on. Second, check your internet and cellular connections. SMS verification requires both a stable internet connection for the initial request and cellular connectivity to receive the verification code. Third, ensure you're using the latest version of the Spotify app or web browser. Outdated versions may have compatibility issues with the verification system that have been fixed in newer releases. Finally, if phone verification continues to fail, look for alternative verification methods. Spotify may offer email verification or authenticator app options depending on your account settings and the specific situation. These immediate troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of phone number verification errors. By checking your number format, ensuring stable connections, updating your app, and exploring alternative verification methods, you can quickly get back to enjoying your music on Spotify. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Spotify phone verification error, advanced solutions and prevention strategies can help you overcome persistent issues and avoid future problems. If initial troubleshooting steps haven't worked, several advanced techniques can resolve stubborn verification issues. Platform switching is often the most effective advanced solution. Try accessing Spotify verification through a different device, such as switching from mobile to desktop or using a different web browser entirely. Virtual private networks can interfere with Spotify's location-based verification systems. Temporarily disable any VPN services during the verification process to ensure your actual location matches your account settings. Sometimes the issue lies with your mobile carrier's SMS delivery system, or you may need to use Spotify's built-in account recovery tools. Contact your mobile carrier to ensure there are no SMS delivery blocks or issues with your number. As a last resort, use Spotify's account recovery tools, which provide alternative verification methods for persistent problems. Spotify's account settings page provides access to password changes and account recovery options when standard verification methods fail. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Several proactive strategies can help you avoid phone verification errors entirely. First, regularly update your contact information in your Spotify account settings. Ensure your phone number and email address are current and accessible. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. This provides additional verification options beyond just SMS codes. Set up multiple verification methods as backup options. This includes email verification, authenticator apps, and backup phone numbers when available. Finally, keep a record of successful verification methods. Document which platforms, browsers, or techniques worked for you in the past. These advanced solutions and prevention strategies provide comprehensive approaches to resolving and avoiding Spotify phone verification errors. By implementing these techniques, you can ensure reliable access to your Spotify account.